Welcome to our channel. Today we how to update Klaviyo AI for personalized recommendations and email timing, detailed guide step by step clearly. Begin by logging into your Klaviyo account. Navigate to the Campaigns tab on the left-hand side panel. Select the campaign you would like to update. Click on the Edit button located at the top right of the campaign overview. Scroll down to the Content section of your email or flow. Look for the personalization options either in the email body or settings. In the personalization settings, locate the Product Recommendations block. Drag and drop this block into your email layout where you want the recommendations to appear. After placing the block, you'll see options to configure your product feed. Choose the criteria for your recommendations, such as bestsellers or items viewed. Adjust the parameters as needed to tailor the recommendations to your audience. Next, set the email timing to optimize send times. Go to the Settings tab of your campaign. Find the Send Time Optimization option. Enable this feature to allow Klaviyo to analyze when your recipients are most engaged. Select the time zone that corresponds to your audience. Review all changes to ensure everything is set up correctly. Once satisfied, click Save Changes to apply your updates. Finally, preview the modified email to check the layout and recommendations. After confirming that everything looks great, proceed to schedule or send your campaign. This will ensure your emails feature personalized product recommendations. With these adjustments, your audience will receive timely and relevant content tailored just for them. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.